I am Purushothaman Siddhimgal. Visit my YouTube channel at Sumerian_Tamil. This is about my research work, informal, that early Sumerian spoke Tamil and wrote Tamil. And it is possible to have triangular study as evolutionary linguistic studies, interlinking Indus Valley scripts, Sumerian literature, and Tamil literature. Particularly, we can look at Tolkappiyam also. What it says as Marabial could possibly be related to Sumerian and backward, maybe BC 5000 to BC 3000. And here what I am saying is, say for example, if we take Tolkappiyam chapter 1 on Erithiel, the poem number 45, it says how languages evolved from one letter words and two letter words and combination of that. We could see here Ayya, that is grandfather. We have already seen Ayya as father. Here it is tripled as a, Ayya, with phonetic sound indicating grandfather. And this could be related to Sri Lankan system of saying amma, amma win amma. Likewise here Ayya win Ayya as grandfather. Another sign here, what we see is Engar, Mungar, Mungar, meaning farmer or an official, and in accordion it is Aikaru. So this Engar could also be, as I interpret, could be read as Iyengar, and we have Sumerian syllable I plus an, which also can be read as Iyen. So these ways we can relate to present form of Tamil and the culture with the Sumerian. Here we are not relating to Indus script, that will be taken up subsequently. Thank you very much.